played football in college, and I tore my labrum about 4 years ago, training for football in my hip. I had developed hypersensitivity around my hip, lower abdomen area, which was where any sort of normal sensation was interpreted as painful. Wearing shorts with like waistbands I couldn't do. Taking showers was painful. Like I couldn't sleep with like the sheets on anymore, so I had to use a heater. Where it just felt like I was getting like stabbed constantly. And that pain hurt a lot more when I would sit, and I could sort of like feel the weight of my upper body and belly compressing the nerves. Really, really severe resting pain. A kind of level of pain that I just never even thought possible. And it was really hard to even kind of foresee how I would ever get better, because it just felt like I was at the lowest point you could go. And it was really hard to even just like exist at that point. I was confined to my bed pretty much for like 23 hours a day for like 2 years. This lower portion of my abdomen, kind of around closer towards the middle of the belly, but below the belly button. And then it went kind of towards the outside of my hip. And this was all hypersensitive. Water would just feel like little needles if I took a shower on it. And it kind of went into like this inguinal canal portion of my hip. One of the things that helped me was just coming across the patient testimonials on his website that people recorded, and being able to hear people talk about their experiences and like dealing with the very similar kind of pain that I had, nerve pain, and like Dr. Williams being able to help them really it just made me cry, because I hadn't felt that level of hope before, and just being able to relate to someone else and start to feel like there was a way out. The way I described it to other people, like beforehand, it was like being stabbed in all these places, and then afterwards it was like being stabbed in only a few places, which is better, I guess, but you're still being stabbed. Just in the last 4 months or so, I traveled to Brazil for 3 weeks, and I was walking all over various cities. I went to Hawaii, and I graduated from college, and not taking any pain medications. I'm extremely grateful for Dr. Williams' help. I don't really know what I would have done without him.